Hello guys, welcome to my channel Amazon GF. Today we will talk about the new Nubia Red Magic 5G. It is heavy gaming mobile. Look at its design as well as it is too much slim. I think is best mobile at €500. You can buy heavy gaming mobile at cheap rate, but if you will complete 1K subscriber target, so then I will add this product link in description where you got up to 10% discount. So, let's talk about its configuration. First of all, it has 6.65 inches, 1080 x 2400 pixels, resolution display screen and screen type, AMOLED capacitive touch screen and 16 million colors. It has Android 10.0 version Android 1. It has Qualcomm SM8250 Snapdragon 865, 7nm Plus, processor. CPU octa-core, 1x 2.84 GHz Cryo 585 and 3x 2.42 GHz Cryo 585 and 4x 1.8 GHz Cryo 585. GPU Adreno 650. It has no card slot for external memory and it is available with 128GB 8GB RAM and 128GB 12GB RAM and 256GB 12GB RAM and 256GB 16GB RAM. It has triple back or main camera WHER. First camera is 64MP, f/1.9, wide, PDAF camera. 2RD camera is 2MP, macro, camera. 3TH camera is 2MP, depth, camera. It has single 8MP, f/2.0, wide, selfie or front camera. It has fingerprint, under display, optical, and accelerometer, and gyro and proximity and compass sensor. It has non-removable LiPo 4500 mAh battery. It has fast charging of 55 watt. It is able to full charge your battery in 40 minutes. It is available in black and Mars red, and cyber neon, and transparent. Its price is about €500. And we will meet you in next video, so subscribe Amazon GF. More video and discount, and if you like this video, so please like and share my video. And complete 1K subscriber target, so then I will add this product link in description where you got up to 10% discount. Goodbye.